The first thing we want to do is to sign up for Boozang. And this is the point if you're trying to kind of follow this and you want to use a different automation tool, or maybe Cypress or Selenium, we invite you to it. So maybe kind of skip over this part where we're signing you up with Boozang. Again, following through these exercises is going to make a lot of sense, using Boozang, because that's what we've designed these exercises for. But if you want to use something else, just go ahead. I still think there's a lot to learn by following through this kind of classes or the step-by-step approach. The first thing you want to do is going to boozang.com. So at our homepage, which hasn't been updated in a little while, we actually offer a free trial straight out of the door. So you can actually hit the sign up button right here. Normally, if you look at this tool compared to maybe some other commercial tools, is that our free tier is fairly generous and allows you to, for sure, going through this course, making sure that all your automation flows are working. And then when you kind of want to hook this up to a CI server or activate your team, you need to go for the paid tiers of the Boozang tool. But for now, basically fill in your login information, your first and last name, and just click sign up. So that's it. Of course, I'm already signed up. I already have an account. So I will go straight for login. In your case, you should receive an email that tells you to activate your account. And when you click login, it will basically, when you click on that activation link, it will take you to the same place. One note here, we do have regions in both North America and in Europe. So if you're doing this in Europe, maybe you want to switch to the European region right now, and you will get a little better performance of the site, as we are a cloud-based solution. Anyways, as soon as you log in, you'll find yourself here where you'll have where probably there are no projects created, but I'm just going to go ahead and create a project here called The Lab. And the only thing you gotta do is click Launch Tool. And one of the differences here is that it's probably going to prompt you to install the Chrome extension. And a note about that, we do support both Edge and Chrome now, as Edge is Chromium based. And we do support other browsers too, if you use a little specific approach. But we're not going to go into that right here, right now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to assume that you're using either Chrome or Edge browser, and it's going to prompt you to install an extension. What you want to do here in the application URL, you want to go ahead and enter http and thelab.boozang.com. And a note here is also, of course, you could have several environments, let's say a staging environment, a production environment with several application interfaces, but we're not going to go into that now. So simply type in thelab.boozang.com, press save, and this one is more like an AI functionality for authorization, and we're going to skip that for now. So simply do this, and now we're ready to get started testing using the tool.